Hello from Slovenia again. I still have some of this cloud mix kind of mixture that I mixed titanium white, Decoart satin enamel in white, some overtroll, floetrol, and no, it's not floetrol, it's my pouring medium here, and Liquitex pouring medium, and I will do a flower dip, and I will use this for a base for my flower, because I don't know, I just want to try what will happen, because maybe it will create some interesting details or something, I don't know, we will see. So I will just spread, and this is way thinner than my paint that I normally use, so we will see. Okay, my base is done. I will just torch this real quick because I have a lot of air bubbles, but I have to be careful because this is plastic bag on my table, so don't want to do a hole in plastic. So okay, and I will just use two of those paints that I used with floetrol the other day, that I used it with overtroll floetrol, that's why. And here I have a little bit of 24 karat gold, hopefully for some lacing, and I will just do some swirls kind of, or spiral, or how can I say, I will just do that. You see how this paint sinks into the surface, but I hope when I will press the canvas I will get some of this out, but I don't know. That's why I want to try that. But I am going for some kind of minimalistic subtle look of a flower. If I will be able to get it, I don't know. And I will add this gold next. This is Decoart 24 karat gold. I hope that I will get some lacing out. Just add a little more here. And this is cerulean blue. So I will use just these three colors. I'm not using a lot of colors, just to see how this will work. Just an experiment again. As you know, I like to experiment with different mixtures and everything, because it's always fun to see what will happen. So and I have 8x8 canvas, and I almost throw it in. This wouldn't be a nice thing. And I will just press it on the top of this, on the top of the paint, press it down. And I have this, I don't know what is the word, because I will just press a little bit towards the sides, just to make sure that I will get coverage on my canvas. I don't normally do that, but I will. And for those who are new and you will think, oh, how many paints you will have left, but I did some live video about how I am using my skins, so this will, I will leave it to dry, or maybe I will even dip some cabochons in it. I will see what will happen, and then I will use this in some of my other projects. So I just hope that I didn't smash this too much. Okay. I was hoping for more of the reaction from this enamel, satin enamel mixture, cloud mixture. I didn't get a lot of that, so I'm kind of surprised, and I'm not crazy about this part there. So maybe I will just pour some white here and just try to blow this edge there, and I will just try to do this. But I love the colors, and I love a pop of black and gold, and I love this part there. I will just blow this a little bit out, just to kind of do some line on the top that I was not so happy about. Just a second, I will bring you back and grab this. Okay, I think that I'm okay now. So it's quite interesting. You see that I got this lacing like with my pearl white from this mixture, so I'm quite happy with that. I will say that I really like it. I like the colors, I like these effects, I like that it look kind of, you know, gentle or subtle. I don't know what is the word. And you see some pearl cells and some gold cells. I will say that I really, really, really like this dip. I think that it's beautiful. It's so three-dimensional and with beautiful details. So I'm not crazy about the second one, but I just wanted to show you that, you know, you can dip again, add a little more color, a little less color, more white, more black, more gold. I don't know what you want to add. Just play with it. It's not bad at all, but... And I have a lot of these dots because I added satin enamel on top. and I didn't torch it, and you see I got a lot of air bubbles, but this is just so beautiful. So this is just a simple technique how you can create a gorgeous flower painting without this, that you need to know. You don't need to know how to draw a flower. Just add some paint and dip your canvas in and play. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!